Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives FII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open on a positive note, fueled by FII showing buying interest in the domestic market. Also, along with that, the benefits of Brent crude prices falling to $72 per barrel due to reduced geopolitical tensions in the Gulf and optimism that the US Fed Reserve might cut interest rates following mixed economic data. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 28th of November 2024, Nifty index opened positive, and while it remained range-bound for the first half of the session, it gained strength later. After the midday spike where it touched 24,350 zones, it again witnessed some cool-off to finally settle with gains of around 80 points. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the daily frame. India VIX was down by around 4.4% to 14.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.12. All these factors are only giving comfort to the bulls. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,800 to 24,800 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,000 to 24,600. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 8 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,300 crores. FII's index long-short ratio remained at 35%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,250 for an up move towards 24,500 and 24,650 levels, while supports can be seen at 24,150 and 24,000 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 52,000 for an up move towards 52,500, then 52,750 marks, while support can be seen at 52,000, then 51,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BEL, Trend, Siemens, Chambal Fertilizers, HAL, Ramco Cements, HDFC Bank, Ashok Leyland, Max Financial, Syngene, MCX, and Biocon. While some weakness can be seen in Dr. Lal Path Labs, Lupin, Motherson, IDFC First Bank, ICICI Pru, Titan, Hindalco, Dr. Reddy, AU Bank, and Escorts. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.